Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix scratch disk full error in Adobe Photoshop. First way is to open up Photoshop and let's go to the edit tab at the top left. Go to purge and you're going to click all in here. After that, this window will pop up. If you want to continue, just click on OK and that should clear the cache of your Photoshop and help in solving the problem. If it still does not solve it, we can go to the edit tab again. Go to preferences and we are going to click on scratch disks. From here, make sure that you selected the drive with a lot of free space, so you can change it by clicking on this check mark icon like that, and once you have set it, just click on OK at the top right. Another reason is that you are lacking storage, so we can search for storage and go to storage settings, and if it is full like mine, you can delete files and applications you no longer need. So in this page of the settings, it will show you your temporary files, the apps and features, and all the other components that are taking up your space, and you should delete all the unnecessary ones such as your temporary files right here. And as an alternative, we can also search for run, and we're going to type in temp and click on OK and click on continue. And from here, we are going to hit Control A. These are all temporary files, and what we're going to do is to right click on them and click on delete, check to do for all current items and click on continue, and that should delete all your temporary files. And some files might not be deleted because it is currently being used, so I'm just going to skip them and check do all, and you should do the same. And another factor might be you might be lacking RAM, so if you have apps running in the background that you are not using, you should close them so that you will give more RAM space to Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.